In this video, I'm going to show you how to curve text in Adobe Express. Now to do this, there's actually two ways. The first one is to simply click on your text you want to curve. Then you want to go to Edit over here. If you can see it, click on Edit up top. And then down here, you can see Text Layouts. You want to click on that. And here you have the option of Arch, okay? So if you click on this Arch over here, it's going to arch it like this. Or you could also go and click on Bow, and it's going to basically curve it like that, okay? That's the first way to do it. But then you also have one more option, which is using add-ons. And usually I just use those because I think they're a bit more convenient. So let me show you how to do this. Go to add-ons bottom left, and then you want to type in something like curve text, and you want to press the enter key, and there's going to be like a bunch of different ones. You can kind of play around with these and select whichever one you want. I used these two before, so the type curve and text flow, and I'm going to go and show you how to use them. Of course, whenever you click on a specific one, you can simply then click on the add button down here, and it's going to allow you to add it that way. And then you want to go to over here your add-ons, and you want to click on the specific one. Now we have this type curve over here, which allows a little less customization. So there's a bunch of paths you can use, but the one I recently used is this text flow over here, which of course is going to allow you to kind of customize this. So you can go to path over here, and you can select your shape. I'm going to do arc right now. There we go. And then as you can see, you can select the size of your letters on there and words as well. You can go and set your rotation over here. So of course, how you want them to be rotated. For example, I'm going to put it like this. I'm going to show you why in just a second. And then down here, of course, you also have the option to draw a freehand path, but that's quite hard. So I'll just skip this for now. And then I'm going to do text over here. And as you can see, it's going to basically allow you to put on text content. I'm just going to type on sample text like this. And then I'm going to go down. You can change the size of your letters yet again. You can go and select the weight, the letter spacing, etc. Everything is possible, as well as the alignment, the position, and then the offset and style as well. So I'll just make it like this color over here. And then what you want to do whenever you're happy with your size and everything, you can simply go and click on apply to canvas. And as you were able to see, I actually rotated these a bit, so I can now go and rotate them like this, and I have some perfect text, which is basically curved, okay? Now of course I could have changed this over here as well by using things like custom paths, etc. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.